In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create trips in WP Travel Engine step by step and help you make your travel website truly effective. First, let's get started by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Head over to your browser and type in your WordPress admin URL, which is typically your domain.com WP admin. This will direct you to the login page. Enter your credentials and you'll gain access to your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the sidebar where you'll find an option labeled Trips. Click on it, then choose Add New. This is where you'll begin to shape the details of the trip you plan to offer. You'll see a couple of fields that are crucial for the setup. Now, let's give your trip a name. This title is what your potential customers will first notice, so ensure it's catchy and descriptive. After naming your trip, it's time to dive into its description. Here, you'll want to include information such as the itinerary, highlights, and any specific details that will capture the essence of the trip. Make it informative, yet engaging to inspire potential travelers. Next on your list is to add some visual flair, as images are key to showcasing what you'll offer. Start by setting a featured image. This is the main photo that will represent the trip across your site. Consider this the cover photo, so choose an image that encapsulates the trip's spirit. Additionally, you can include gallery images to offer more visual insights, although this is optional. After you've successfully uploaded the images, it's time to define the trip's essential details. Begin by entering the trip's price. Whether it's a cost per person or a package, clarity here ensures your customers know exactly what to expect. Then, specify the duration, noted in the number of days, which helps travelers understand the scope of their adventure. You'll also need to set a limit for the number of travelers, ensuring you manage bookings efficiently without overextending resources. Furthermore, under destination/trip type, classify what type of trip you're offering, which aids in organizing and marketing your trips better by category. Moving on, configure the booking options. First, you'll need to enable the booking form, crucial for capturing reservations from your site. Also, select your preferred payment method like PayPal or Stripe, providing convenience and security for your transactions. If your trip has specific dates, be sure to add them here to avoid confusion about availability. Finally, it's time to make your trip live. Navigate to the Publish section and hit that button. Once published, your trip is officially accessible to your visitors. To enhance functionality, add the WP Travel Engine Search shortcode, WP Travel Engine Search, to your homepage. This allows visitors to search and book trips directly, streamlining the process and improving user experience. This simple yet effective guide will empower you to create and manage successful trips using WP Travel Engine, enhancing both your site and business prospects.